Right, people. So in electrochemistry, we are almost done with the chapter. The purpose here of today's class is that we will basically only consider numerical problems, and that too of a level of IIT or NEET. So it's a part of physical chemistry, and we need to have a clear concept of how to solve problems here. Okay. In order to solve problems, we need to have some basic concepts about oxidation and reduction and how to balance equations accordingly. So here we have a question. Calculate the EMF of the following half cells. So this is basically half cell that is represented. The first case here is platinum electrode, obviously H2 at 2 atmosphere, H2 at 2 atmosphere, and HCl at 0.02 m. So we would know that here what is happening is H2. Okay, so here H2 gas is there. So H, this is H plus, which is getting evolved from HCl, So 2H plus is giving us what? H2. 2H plus is giving us what? H2. How will this be evolved? So 2H plus 2 electrons will give us H2. Okay, 2H plus 2 electrons will give us H2. Okay, so this is basically the half cell, and so here we have H plus ions which are basically received from HCl. So HCl, if we consider H plus and Cl minus, so here 1 mole gives 1 mole of H plus ions. So here we have the molarity as 0.02. So here the molarity of H plus ions will also be 0.02. So this will be 0.02 molar. Okay, so this will be 0.02 molar. So now let's come to the Nernst equation. From Nernst equation, we will calculate the EMF of the cell. So EMF of the cell will be standard reduction potential of the cell minus 0.059 upon the n factor. Here it will be log of, so what is the product here? H2, and that too at a pressure of 2 atmospheres. H2 at the pressure of 2 atmospheres, and here we have 0.02 moles. So here we have 0.02, the molarity is 0.02. So log of P pressure, partial pressure of H2, obviously it is a gas, so we will have no configurations in terms of molarity. Here we will have log of molar concentration, that is 0.02, and that too raised to 2. Okay, pressure of H2. So this will be Nernst equation. Nernst equation will be like this. Okay, so here we have been given that the standard reduction potential here is 0. So 0 minus, so this is basically standard reduction potential. EMF of the cell will be standard reduction potential, that is already given as 0, minus 0.059. In order to balance this equation, how many electrons are required? 2. So that obviously becomes the n factor. This will be log of P pressure of H2. So pressure of H2 is how much? 2 atmospheres. And how much is this one? This one will be, see, 0.02 and iska square. So this will be how much? This will be 2 into 10 raised to minus 2 square. So that will be how much? 4 into 10 raised to minus 4. So this is going to be 4 into 10 raised to minus 4. 4 into 10 raised to minus 4. So we will get how much, people? This will be basically 0 minus, let's quickly do this, 0.0, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, 2 5s are 10. Are we on the right track? 0.2955, 2s are 10, 9 2s are 18, 1 19, 2 2s are 4, 1 5. Okay, chaliye. So log of 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So log of 10 raised to 4, this goes up and upon 2. Simple mathematics, people. Okay. So what do we have here? This will be 0 minus 0.0295 log of 10 raised to 4 minus, sorry, this will be, if we break it up into log, so this will be log of 10 raised to 4 minus log of 2. So this is going to be how much, people? 0 minus 0.0295. Log of 10 raised to 4 will be 4 log 10 minus log 2, we all should remember it is 0.3010. Okay, so we can take 0.3. Here what we will get? Log 10 is 1. So this will be 0 minus 0.0295, that will be 4 minus 0.3. So this is going to be 0 minus 0.0295, not very complicated calculations people, 3.7. So we can take this to be 3. If we take this to be 0.03 into 3.7, so that's 7 3s are 21, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10, 7 3s are 21, 3 3s are 9, 1 10. So that's going to be 1 2 3, 0 point approximately this volt, approximately, sorry, this is the answer. Okay, this would be the answer. Now let's look at the other problem here. The other problem states, okay, see the other problem here states PT half cell reaction is given. This is 10 atmosphere and there we have HCl, here it is 0.1 mole, and here it is given the standard EMF as 1.36 molar. Okay, so here standard EMF is given as 1.36 volt. I am so sorry, this will be 1.36 volt. So what can we represent here people? Here obviously Cl2 is getting converted into Cl minus. Okay, see in this case it was 0 potential, so here 2H plus was getting converted into H2, but here what will happen, Cl2 it is getting converted into 2Cl minus. Cl2 is at what? This is, and how will this happen? How will this happen? Obviously by the acceptance of 2 electrons, by the acceptance of 2 electrons, one for each chlorine. Okay, so obviously here Cl2 is at 10 atmosphere and here Cl, so from 1 HCl we will get what? H plus and Cl minus, so 1 molar gives 1 molar, so obviously we have here 0.1, so this will be 0.1 molar as well. Okay, okay, so 10 atmosphere plus 2 electrons, this is 10 atmosphere, this is 2 electrons, so this will be 0.1 molar solution. Okay, so again applying Nernst equation, so here EMF of the cell will be equal to standard EMF of the cell minus standard EMF of the cell, EMF of the cell will be standard EMF minus 0.059 by 2 log of pH2, log of, I am so sorry, log of, here it will be Cl concentration, log of Cl concentration raised to 2, Cl minus concentration raised to 2 upon log of Cl concentration raised to 2 upon molarity of Cl2, that is, or rather pressure of Cl2, because here Cl2 exists as a gas. So here we have how much? Nernst equation applying 1.36 minus, again this can be done as 0.06, so we can take this as 0.03. This will be log of chlorine raised to minus 2, so chlorine raised to minus 2, chlorine we have here as 0.1, so this will be 0.1 raised to 2 upon pressure, that is how much? 10, pressure is 10. So this is going to be 1.36 minus 0.03 and we have here 0.12, so that will be log of, so 0.1 square can be written as 1 into 10 raised to minus 1 square, or rather 10 raised to minus 1 square, that gives you 10 raised to minus 2, so that can be written as log 10 raised to minus 2 minus log of 10, so this will be 1.36 minus 0.03 log of 10 raised to minus 2, this gives you minus 2 log 10 minus 2 log 10 minus 1 log 10 we know has a value of minus 1, so this will be 1.36 minus 0.03, this will be minus 2 minus 1, so that's going to be 1.36 minus 0.03 into minus 3, so this is going to be 1.36 plus 0.09, so 9 plus 6 is 15, 3 plus 1 is 4, that will be 1.45 volts. So that's the answer, 1.45 volts. Okay, all right, we will continue with more problems here. Okay people, so let's look at this other problem here, in which we have calculate the pH of the half cell. So again, if we have to calculate the pH, here it is given platinum, hydrogen electrode, 1 atmosphere, and this is basically H2SO4. The standard reduction potential is given as minus 0.3 volt. So here we have, sorry, this is basically the EMF of the cell. So we know for a hydrogen electrode, when we have a hydrogen electrode, the standard electrode potential is how much? It for the cell, the standard electrode potential will be equal to 0, okay. So now applying Nernst's equation, we know that here what will happen, H2H plus from H2SO4, from H2SO4 we are going to get 2H plus SO4 2 minus. So this 2H plus 2 electrons gives us what? H2. This 2H plus 2 electrons will give you what? H2. So H2 is at a concentration of 1 atmospheres, and here we have 2H plus. So H2SO4, this is 2H plus. So if we consider the N factor here, obviously N factor is how much? N factor, the balancing part, N is equal to 2. The balancing part N is equal to 2. So here we have the Nernst equation applied as EMF of the cell will be equal to, obviously standard reduction potential for hydrogen is 0 minus 0.059 by 2. Now this will be log of pressure of hydrogen upon log of concentration of hydrogen ions raised to 2. Okay, concentration of hydrogen. So this will be how much? Minus 0.059 by 2. Here we have been given the value to be minus 0.3. Okay, so this will be pH2, that is pH2 will be how much? Pressure of hydrogen is given as 1 atmosphere upon H plus raised to 2. So this is going to be how much? This is going to be minus 0.3 is equal to minus 0.059 by 2 into, this will be log of H plus raised to minus 2. So that's basically how much? Minus 0.059 by 2 into minus 2 log of H plus, this and this gets cancelled, so this will be minus 0.059 into minus of log H plus. Now minus of log H plus is nothing but pH. So this is basically pH, minus pH into is equal to minus 0.059, and this will be equal to minus 0.3. So we will take this here, pH here will be how much? pH here will be minus 0.3 upon minus 0.059, 0.059 approximately 0.3, we can take this to be 0.06. So that's basically how much? 5. So pH here is 5. The pH will be 5 here. Okay. So these are some questions that we need to have a good idea of. Alright people, so the next question that we have here is, a graph is plotted between E of cell and log Zn2 plus Cu2 plus. The curve is linear with the intercept on E cell axis equals to 1.0. Okay. So the graph is plotted between E of cell. So E of cell is equal to, we know by Nernst equation, this is equal to minus log of, what will be the reaction here? We know that the reaction here is Zn plus Cu2 plus will be equal to Zn2 plus Cu. Obviously oxidation potential of zinc is higher, so it will undergo oxidation, and this is basically what will be getting formed. So here it will be log of Zn2 plus, obviously we are not going to take this concentration, upon Cu2 plus, log of Zn2 plus upon Cu2 plus. Compare this equation, obviously we are plotting this against this, so y is equal to, this will be mx plus c, this c is basically constant, and this will be the value of this will be the value of mx. So c here will be how much? Here it is written with intercept on E cell axis equal to 1.0. So here it will be 1.10 volt. Okay, and here what will be mx? Calculate the EMF of the cell. So this will be mx. Okay, so let's calculate here. Zn2 plus will be 0.1 mole. So this will be E of the cell will be equal to C, that is how much? C that is equal to, C here is equal to, intercept is 1.10 minus log of Zn2 plus. Zn2 plus is how much? 10 raised to minus 1 upon, this will be how much? Cu2 plus, that will be 10 raised to minus 2. So obviously we will have 1.10 minus log of, this is 10 raised to minus 1, so this will be 1 upon 10, and that will be 10 raised to 2, so this will be log raised to 10. So this will be 0.10. EMF of the cell will be 0.10. Okay. Let's move on to the next problem here.